What's up guys, my name is Eve. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please take a second and show me that you love me by subscribing to my channel and ringing that bell so you never miss one of my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'd be honored to have you as one of my amazing friends, because I have to say I have some pretty great ones on this channel. Now let's go ahead and talk about what I'm going to be doing in this video today. I'm going to be unbagging the June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. Here it is. It's very cute with the popsicles on there, very fitting for summer, and this bag is going to be $28 a month. Here's the card. I'm not going to show it to you because they have not been putting the prices on. Even though I've been talking about it like crazy, all you guys have been agreeing with me that you want the prices on here so we don't have to go to their website and look up their prices. It would make things a lot easier. Ipsy, put your prices back on the card. Get this out of my way because it is absolutely useless to me. Now, before I grab the first item, I'm going to talk about... I try to improve my channel by not showing my busted ass nails. I have a job that really takes a toll on my nails, plus I'm trying to do weightlifting, so I decided to glam it up by doing press-on LED nails. 3 hours later, my nails look even worse than they did before because I had to take them off. Now they're irritated and they look like shit. I should have stayed in my lane and not done the crap. I see why the nail technicians make so much money, because I sure don't have that ability to put on these stupid nails. Now with that, let's go ahead and talk about these products. The first item in my bag, I'm not going to show you the boxes because I think the mail person sat on my bag because everything is squished, but at least the products aren't damaged. Here we go. This is the Saturday Skin, and this is called, let me go and see, Rub-a-Dub-Dub Redefining Peel Gel. Now this one is extremely gentle, so if you have not done exfoliation, this is a good one to start at. I'm a pro, so this one's a little too gentle for me, but I'm gonna use it just to use it up because I don't want to waste the product. Now, why is it so gentle? It uses fruit enzymes. It uses papaya and pineapple, so it is extremely gentle. They say leave it on 3 minutes. I would leave it on longer than that. I leave it on about 15 minutes. Now, I have extremely gentle skin and I had no reaction whatsoever. Why did I pick this product? Because I think Ipsy was cleaning out their warehouse, because I see a lot of repeats on here. And I've tried this item out in the past and I knew it wasn't for me, but their other choices were shit. To be 100% honest, this one is $28. The next item is another repeat. It's by Dr. Braun, and it's the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. And this one is $64. Now, this one is a decent moisturizer for dry skin. I like it, but it's not one of my favorites. I chose it because that was my best option. Great. I was spouting about how great Ipsy was, and disappointment this month. Now the third item. I don't know what it is, but I don't get excited by Grown Alchemist skincare. It is a mask. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, and they like to charge out the wazoo for their items. Now this is the Age Repair Gel Mask. This one costs $79. I got this before, but I had not tried it. Like I said, it just didn't interest me. I didn't want to grab it, so I have to make the effort in trying it. I don't know what it is, but Grown Alchemist, tell me what you think of it. Their body lotion's decent. I don't mind that, but for some reason, I can't get excited about their skincare. I don't know what it is. Am I the only one? Probably. Now, the fourth item is an actual makeup product. This one is a concealer. This is by Jacka Black, and it's called Liquid Concealer 1.0, and it says it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Both good things. Now I'm going to show you the packaging because this one actually did not get damaged. Hurrah! Get this out for you, and it's a very good amount that you get. It says it's made in the UK, and you get 0.33 fluid ounces with it. Now this one is a very light coverage concealer. When I put it on, I didn't like it when I just put it on with my finger. So what I ended up doing is I put it on the back of my hand, I bounced my beauty blender in it, and then I put it underneath my eyes. That I liked it a lot. I'm gonna get up close. Now be nice, I do have aging eyes. I'm not a spring chicken. So here we go. As you can see, it's a very nice concealer. It is lightweight and I like it a lot. Now, if you're looking for full coverage, this is not it. This one is going to be $15. Now, the last item I have on my lips right now, and it's called Element, and this is a hydrating matte liquid lipstick. So this one is very nice. Like I said, it's on my lips. And it's in the shade Miami. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of this one for you, just in case you can't see it on my lips, because I don't have giant lips. Here we go. Curve my fingernail so you don't have to see that and be absolutely horrified. Now this one is $18. I like it a lot. I just got my bag today, so I didn't give it a long wear test, so I don't know how it's gonna last, if it's gonna get the butthole lip, but it seems nice and hydrating. I like it a lot. Now with that, if you add all 5 items, it is $204. Do I think it was worth my $28? No, because I see all these repeat items. The choices just sucked, and it wasn't like I didn't get in line fast enough. As soon as it was open, I was there. It just seemed like everything was not exciting. Everything was repeats. I've seen it before. I don't know what was going on. Maybe Ipsy was just having a bad month, but to me, I don't think it was worth it. Nothing was exciting in this. Nothing at all. So I give this month 2 thumbs down. Not impressed, Ipsy. Do better. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the add-ons that I decided to get. So most of these are $3.50. Yes, they raised their prices as well as everybody else is, from $3 to $3.50. And the sad thing is I'm more excited about my add-ons than I am the actual bag. Now, the first thing, I saw the reviews on it and it was shocking. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but it is a very nice eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my eyes. It was very nice. I don't understand why everybody hated it. The formula showed up on me. They blended out amazing. The shimmers, yes, I use my NYX glitter glue, but I do that with everything. So here it is. This is Berry Tones. And if I saw it for $3.50 in another color story that I liked, I would pick this up again. And it's by Beauty Vault, and it's Plum palette. I like it a lot. I don't get why so many people were hating on it. Now I picked up a primer that I am wearing, and this one, I don't know if it will make my makeup last, but it wasn't as glowy as I like it. And I picked up 3 of them because I thought I was going to love it. And it's called Unicorn Glow, and it's a long wearing primer. I expected more of a glow. Now, if this is going to make my makeup last, I don't know, but it didn't give me the glow I was looking for. I didn't see much of a glow at all, but I have some amazing glowing primers, so it had a lot to live up to. The other item that was for the same amount, $3.50, was Sophia and Maybelle Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara. Now, I tried this on my top lashes. I put 4 coats on it. I could barely see it. I did not like it on the top lashes. I put it on my bottom lashes and I liked it. It was very nice. It didn't clump up whatsoever, so I liked it as that. So that's just what's on my bottom lashes, because I had to break out my other mascara because I couldn't come on here with bald lashes. I have blonde lashes, and that would have been a train wreck for you to see. I've actually had people go over when I'm not wearing mascara, ask me if I pull my lashes out. Yes, that makes sense. I pull my lashes out. I hate having blonde eyelashes. Now, the other item that I got was by Plum Candy Melts, and this is a vegan lip balm. And this one was really nice. It fits in the pocket, so I'm going to be using it as that. It is not a lip mask, but this, the flavor on it, I get the sense of it being a watermelon bubble gum. You're not supposed to eat it. They even say it on the site when I went over and looked at it to see what the price was, because I read the reviews. It was bad reviews, so I wanted to go on the site and see. And it said, even though it smells good, please don't eat this. So there you go. It smells delicious. Don't eat it. But the funny thing I found was this was on sale, that you could use a code, and the retail thing was $3.99, and I think you could save 20%. So I really didn't get a value on it, but I'm not hating that I only spent $3.50. But I found that funny. So if I end up liking it, I know where to get it for on the cheap. Oh, that's so funny. Now the last item, I think I spent $10 on this. It's what I used in my hair today, and it's, I would say, a B product, but for the deal that I got, I think it's worth it. This is by Dry Bar, and it's the Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Now, I would never pay full price for this, but for 10 bucks, absolutely. I had to pick it up because I already have one that I got in one of my other boxes. I can't remember. So I decided to pick up for 10 bucks. You can't beat that. So as you can see, why I liked my add-ons a lot more than my actual bag, because I got an amazing eyeshadow. I got a nice sealant for my hair to have frizz-free hair. It looks pretty good because I didn't do anything with my hair other than spray this on and blow dry it. That's all that I did. I was that irritated with my nails. The primer, I'm not sure about. We're gonna see if it lasts. If it makes my makeup last longer, then it's worth it. This is a very good lower lash line mascara, so 2 thumbs up on that. And then the Balm. It's very nice. It smells delicious. So now you can see why I like my add-ons a hell lot better than my actual bag. The add-ons made me excited, which is sad for Ipsy, because they should have stepped up on the bag. Now with that, we made it to the end of the video. Now you know what time it is. It is fur baby time. Come here, Sugar Bear. Here she is, Miss Sugar Bear. Now we look forward to seeing you in the next video. What will it be? I don't know. What is going to get here first? Is it going to be my ice cream or my BoxyCharm Premium? I hope it blows the doors off of this Ipsy bag, because I need to be excited. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you guys to pieces. You guys are freaking awesome. Bye.